Maybe you've tried charro beans before, but I don't think you tried Chihuahua style charro beans. They have so many cured meats in it. Think of these like a Mexican style cassoulet. So I'm gonna start by chopping the bacon into bite-sized pieces. So add the bacon first, break it apart, and then I'm gonna add my Kroger Mercado chorizo. You can get it exclusively at Kroger's. It is so nicely seasoned. You need to remove the casing. This is gonna brown in the bacon fat. And I love using 2 wooden spatulas to break the chorizo apart. And now I'm gonna add the turkey sausage. You can use any kind of hot dog or sausage. Some cubed ham. And I'm gonna coat everything in the tasty bacon and chorizo fat. Now I'm gonna cut some onion. I learned how to make these Chihuahua style charro beans when I visited Chihuahua last year. Such an easy thing to put together. It can be for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. I wanna coat it with this bacon and chorizo fat. I'm gonna add a pound of pinto beans that I already cooked. You take a bag of dried pinto beans, rinse them, cover them with water, just bring them to a boil with a half of an onion, and then just let them cook until they're soft and tender. You can also substitute for 3 cans of already cooked pinto beans, but if you can make them from scratch, it's easy, it's delicious. I'm gonna add all of the beans. I'm gonna add some pickled jalapeños, and this is just what these needs. The vinegary brine is tasty, delicious, and punchy and bright. And I'm also going to add some of the brine. And I have my Kroger Mercado ready to cook flour tortillas that are just like making them from scratch. And they're flaky, they feel soft. I have my pan that I preheated over medium to medium-low heat. Once you start seeing those pockets, flip the tortilla. You really want to wait until you see the pockets of air on both sides of the tortilla, like as you flip it, because that means that the tortilla not only cooked on the outside, but it also cooked from within. And we finish this off by adding more porky goodness, the Kroger Mercado chicharrones, and they're just so thick and rich. The chicharrones will start absorbing some of the seasoned broth. Some people like the chicharrones still crunchy. I love to eat them when they're transforming. But then of course, when you reheat these, the chicharrones will be deliciously spongy, soggy in the best, most delicious way possible. That's it, Chihuahua style charro beans. And this is a dish that makes me so happy. Unpretentious, comforting, garnished with a little cilantro. We have our warm flour tortillas. It's so filling and satisfying. It's such a delicious, comforting meal.